Hello, so I bought this monitor recently. I'm overall very happy with it, but there is a sound like a vibrating or buzzing sound coming from the left speaker located here. So I will try to reproduce the sound. Please try to listen to it carefully. So. So you can probably hear the buzzing sound. Uh, for example, my external speakers do not have that problem. Let's try it with them. As you can see, they don't have that problem. So let's go back to the monitor speaker, and now I will slightly push the left speaker's grill. Now there's no vibrating sound. But when I retract my hand, so this is the problem I'm having.